Hi all, welcome to Supercoders. So in this tutorial, I am gonna do some code fixes in our Django project. So basically it is some enhancement and some fixes we have to do in our code. So let's get started and let's do all these things. So first let's open my Laragon and opening my database. So right click MySQL, PHP Let's copy this URL and open it here. Opening the database. Coming to my project, e-commerce project. Coming to the user table. And here if you see the domain user ID is saving null when we're doing sign up. So what we have to do, if user during post didn't pass domain user ID, then we need to take current user ID as domain user ID. And if it is passing the parent user ID, then that will be okay. We can use that. So let me show how you can do that and how you can fix this issue. So coming to the postman and open sign up. And here if I try to pass admin3 and passing the domain user ID. So what happens if I pass domain user ID, domain underscore user underscore ID. If I pass like domain user ID, say I'm gonna pass for 3 ID passing, then and it is showing duplicate email. So admin3 is already exists. Try to use admin4, 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 copy it, stand it, and it is done. If I check in database, and you can see the user has been created admin4, but the domain ID user is still null. So what I can do, just come to VS Code and in the sign up backend inventory user service, and then after that opening controller, path controller, and in sign up here if I am passing domain user ID, so I need to take care and save that. So what I can do, if request dot data dot get domain underscore user underscore ID, then in that case user dot domain user ID equal to domain user ID, and that will be a object. So for that we need to use users dot objects dot get ID equal to passing the ID, which should be users. Now after that save this code and try to create user again. If I pass this time admin 5, admin 5, admin 5, click on send, and this time user created again. And if I check browse, and this time you can get a user ID in the domain user ID, you can get 3. That is okay. But right now if I didn't pass any user, let's suppose that I'm creating admin 6, admin 6, admin 6, and didn't pass any user. So in that case domain user ID must be the ID of the user. Click on send. So that is not working now. So what I can do, just come to the VS Code and open our models, and here in the user save, then self args works. So here what I can do, if not self dot domain underscore user ID and self dot ID, Then what I can do, self dot domain user ID equal to self dot ID. So I can set the ID. After that, just super dot save args and quarks. Save it. Now after that, let's try to sign up again. Coming to the Postman and try to use admin 7, admin 7, admin 7. Click on send. Okay, it must be a user instance. So again here, users dot objects dot get id equal to self dot id. Now save it, and try to use admin 8, admin 8, admin 8, admin 8, admin 8. Click on send again, and it is done. If I check again in database, browse, and you can see 21 domain user ID and 21 is the ID. Now after that, if I pass the ID, what happened? Just try to pass the ID also, so we can check it's working or not. Domain underscore user underscore ID equal to, this time again passing 3. Now send it again. Okay, admin 8 already exists. Admin 9, 9, 9. Click on send, and if I check, browse, it's working and it is using the domain user ID which I pass it. Now here we need to do some code fixes. The code is getting break when we pass the duplicate email. So what I can do, I'm adding some conditions. Email check equal to user.email.filter. If email check exists, return response, email already request. Email already exists. Also checking username. Username check. If username check, return username already exists. So I just fetch the username and email, check whether it is exists already, so I can return the message. Now save it, back to Postman, and try to hit the API with username again. This time it is showing email already exists. Now after that, save this file, and that is done for the one fixes. So I fixed that also. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and please subscribe our channel. And if any question, please do comment.